The storm is really not over until the cleanup's done.
Cleanup continues around the seacoast after a storm that brought nearly 2 feet of snow. The storm starting at around 10 on Sunday and continued through late Monday night, making for long hours out on the road.
There's been a handful of guys that have stayed right through trying to get people rested up, but when it's a storm like this, it's kind of hard to find time to relax your eyes. We're doing pretty good. A lot of coffee. Luckily, Dunkin' Donuts was open up during the storm, but yeah, we've been just trying to push through, and we have a really good crew here, and I can't say enough about them.
While out on those roads, they say having the community following parking bans and staying off the roads made all the difference.
It's critical for operations like that. When you get 2 feet of snow, you don't have any place to put it. And we would not have plowed a lot of the streets had cars stayed on. And so it was critical for our operations.
And they faced few issues during the storm.
Had a little visibility problems during the bulk of it at night. Couldn't see where we were going, but we didn't hit anything and we did good really well. The guys did awesome.
Now they moved to secondary roads, sidewalks, and fire hydrants, saying cleanup is easier because the snow was so light and fluffy. They're thanking the public for their patience and keeping an eye on another possible storm this weekend.
It is difficult for everybody. We're trying the best we can.
Now, as they've been clearing these roads, these sidewalks, they got to put that snow somewhere, right? So you may see some of these massive mountains of snow around your community. That's kind of what this is. They're hoping to be able to clear these by the end of the week, so that way they can make some more room for possibly more snow. We're live in Portsmouth. Kelly O'Brien, WMUR News 9.